Welcome back to the Approach Women program. This is lesson 9, starting conversations. So hopefully you've had a few realizations by now. You've probably noticed that some women are naturally very friendly and helpful, others are indifferent, others may be bitchy or seem annoyed with you. Some are cold and rational, others are emotive and fun. Some interactions are awkward and strange, others feel natural and easy. Notice that even though you're asking the simplest questions in the world, you can still get a wide variety of emotional responses from these women. The conclusion is that you don't actually control that much. And it's really important, it's a pretty big realization when you figure this out, because once you realize how little you actually have control over how women respond to you, it eliminates a lot of that anxiety and preoccupation that you may have. You no longer have these perfectionist tendencies to worry about the exact right words or the exact right phrases to say this or that or the other, because there's such a wide variety of natural responses out there that you're basically just wasting your time worrying about something that's not going to matter anyway. So here's the next exercise. We're going to take it one more step further. Ask 10 attractive women for directions again, but this time ask them if they're from your city. If they're not, try to comment on their answer. Ask them what brings them there. So for instance, if I was in New York, I would say, "Excuse me, I've got a quick question. Can you tell me how to get to Penn Station?" Blah, blah, blah. She says whatever. I say, "Oh, okay, thanks. Hey, are you from New York?" She says yes, no, maybe so. And I say, "Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, nobody's actually from here. Everybody just moved here. What brings you here?" She says, "Blah, blah, 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 whatever brought her here." Move on. That's one. Do that 10 times. And what you'll probably notice is, again, um, some women will feel a little cold and standoffish. Others will be very friendly and open. Some will feel a little bit awkward. Others will feel very comfortable. So just kind of get a sense for that. Don't blame yourself too much if things go one way or the other in individual interactions. Your only goal is just to do this 10 times, to feel the fear, to feel the defense mechanisms coming up, and then overcome it. So do that, write about your experiences, and I'll see you at the next lesson.